Everybody's got problems, but how we choose to deal with them problems defines us as people. Everybody's got a story, and this is mine. I have some issues that I need to address. It's a feeling that's been weighing heavily on my chest. It's the source of my depression, the cause to my stress. There's a demon inside me I can no longer suppress. It's time that I let him out and try to express these feelings, lay them down, finally put them to rest. See what bothers me comes out, emotional mess. How can I blow? Nobody even knows I exist. It's no one's fault but my own, it's where I chose to invest. All the time I sacrifice trying to climb to success. Nevertheless I keep on stressing, so it's probably best if I take a step back so I can change my perspective. Eternity is such a long time to regret shit, so I ain't gonna stop until I'm being respected and praised for the days that it took to perfect this. Pick up the fucking microphone and just let rip. From now on I'm only doing what feels right. Rip a fucking airplane at the sky during mid-flight. Nothing's impossible long as I keep sight on my dreams. Step up to the mark when the time's right. With the aeroplane I built I can fly away, make it out the darkness and look for a brighter day. A storm's brewing, something's wrong, this ain't right. They're clutching onto me too tight, so I guess I'm care was such a burden when I was young. Wasn't allowed to go to school, I was classed as dumb. Almost gave up hope, but then the day would come for me to relocate back to my mama's home. Then got accepted into school for the first time. Met this boy called Michael, was standing in lunch line. He was the one who introduced me to rap. From that exact moment onwards I would never go back. It was a track by Eminem called Kim. I would sit there listening, visiting the past, asking why was this happening. Adrenaline, such a sudden rush, surge of energy inside me was building up. Thought I would erupt, but it didn't happen. Learned to harness all of the pain and started rapping. And that's when I realised I had a hidden talent. When I was sad, no longer cry, I would sit and practice. Memorising every line, this is my life. It's time that I rise and take control. Let's take a stride. Memory lane, oh what anger and pain. Swear it won't happen again. Now I'm back in the same frame of mind as before. So here I go, don't try and stop it. This is destiny, I know what's fucking best for me. But yeah, you keep on testing me. Leave me the